I'm Jordan from Jordan's Easy and Entertaining, and welcome to my Homemade with Love 14-day series. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super fun and easy treat, candy drizzled popcorn. The first thing that you're going to need is a bag of popped popcorn. I use kettle corn just for some added extra sweetness. And then you're also going to need some candy melts in your choice of colors. And you are also going to need some candy toppings. So I have a variety of sprinkles and sandied sugar to go on top of my popcorn. So take your candy melts and melt them according to the package instructions. And then just use a spoon and drizzle it over the popcorn, working pretty quickly. The candy melts, they set pretty fast. So use just a random motion and spread it evenly over the popcorn. Then take your sprinkles and evenly distribute that over the popcorn too. I like to start with the larger sprinkles and just make sure I cover as much of the candy melt as possible, and then finish off with my smaller sprinkles. In this case, it's sanding sugar. That way just everything sticks to the candy melt before it sets. Once that's done, just leave your popcorn alone for the candy melts to set. I happen to be a little impatient, so I stick mine into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes and it hardens right away. Then take your hands and just break up the popcorn into more manageable bite-sized pieces. Once that's done, your popcorn is ready to serve. I think it looks really cute to serve them in little cups like this. But also, if you're going to be gifting the popcorn, Clear Bags had sent me some samples of their packaging a while ago, and it was just perfect for wrapping up the popcorn. But you can also find packaging like this in your local party store or craft store, as well as cups like this. And then you can just enjoy it for your family movie night or for your party or whatever occasion it is. What I love about this popcorn, besides it being super tasty, is it's so easy to customize with different colors of your candy drizzle and toppings to coordinate with whatever holiday or party theme you're going with. So you can serve it up as treats during the party or just enjoy it as a family movie night, which is what we're gonna do tonight. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel while you're at it, and I hope that you will come back for the rest of the Homemade with Love series. And if you do any of the projects or recipes from this series, I'd love to see them. So hop on over to my Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you can request to join. See you next time. Bye!